Heyo, fellow Legonians, fellow adult Lego enthusiasts, fellow A-Falls, T-Falls, K-Falls, and Y-Falls, fellow Brick fans, and fellow YouTuber members of the viewing audience. This is Dave Frost 1 reporting in once again with my next Lego set review, which this time is of the Lego Power Miners Granite Grinder. And it's quite an awesome build. Obviously, I modified it a little bit so that it can properly make sense, which I'll go into in a little bit as to why I had to modify it. But anyways, here's the main minifigure. He has an awesome facial expression, like he's determined. And then there's his accurate torso print and leg print. And there's his torso print on the back. I shouldn't say accurate, I should say awesome. And for accessories, he has a bear with me as I try to get him back in place. That'll just have to do. For accessories, he has a stick of dynamite behind him, and an axe, and a floodlight, which is removable, and he can carry as an accessory as well. Then we have the rock monster, who has the crystal inside of him, because that's a recurring theme in Power Miners, is that the rock monsters eat the crystals to power up. As long as they eat their color, like the transparent color that appears on their body, the crystal has to be the same color so it powers them up correctly. And one really cool feature, of course, it comes with that trunk sled bucket thing to put the crystals into. Which the Granite Grinder just pulls it along. And then a good feature is that the roll cage can open up as it should. And the main function is that the treads control the drill bit fork on the front. As you can tell, going back and forth. And then for accuracy, what I had to do was put a ceiling light, because obviously they would have just put it on one of the studs, but it's circular, so it fits in between all four of the studs. And then these gas tanks, you know, it needs a little dispenser so that it makes sense that you turn the knob or the wheel and it releases the gas instead of just the wheel and the container itself. It needs an output piece to demonstrate the dispensing of the gas, or the release of the gas. Anyways, I thank you all so very much for watching, for I for that's all I have for this review. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this set. What you guys think about this incredible set for the awesomeness that it can have or can be of, despite the fact of how small it is. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Please stick around for more great LEGO and Transformer related content coming to the future of this channel, as well as upcoming LEGO set reviews, which I have a bit more to get through. Don't forget to hang loose, and so long, everyone.